How to contact Air Tahiti customer service. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can contact Air Tahiti customer service. What do you do first? First of all, log in into your Air Tahiti account. Once you're logged in, go to the top part of the screen where the logo is displayed. You'll see some action buttons like book, deals and packages, royalty, entry conditions, more, help. So click on the help option. So by clicking on help, we're brought to the help page where you can see the option to contact the customer service, or you can see the frequently asked questions with answers already. So you have different options. Okay, so if you want to make use of the FAQ, you can just go ahead to scroll down and ask your question here, click on search, and articles that have addressed those questions would be displayed to you. All right, and then another option is to contact the customer service directly by clicking on contact us here. So once you click on contact us, you'll be taken to another page where you'll receive further information on how you can contact Air Tahiti. So on this page, you can see the option for you to enter in your request here. So why do you want to contact the customer support? Do you want do you have your questions based on your past flights, your upcoming flights, whatever? To ensure you select that, then you'll be asked to select a subtopic. Okay, so select subtopic, scroll down, and then you'll be asked, depending on the technicality or depending on the topic, the different solution. For the particular topic that I selected, I'm asked to enter in my booking reference and last name, then continue. But for you, yours might be different. Just follow through the procedures and then your answer would be displayed. Okay, so after filling the form, an agent would get back to you as soon as possible. But each agent has his or her own specialty, all right? So that is why you have to fill in this form to know the right agent to connect with you. So these are the two major ways whereby you can contact Air Tahiti customer service. Thank you for watching and have a nice trip.